overall na observation mo sa proceedings before the court, attorney?
Boring.
Boring.
Boring kasi yung prosecution, inuulit niya lang yung mga narrative nila na based on hearsay,
Mm.
based on allegations unproven,
Mm.
based on many things na sa tingin ko imahinasyon lang nila, imagination lang nila yun.
Yung kabilang panig naman, attorney, sinasabi nila na may laban daw talaga yung kaso, ganito, ganyan.
Kaya nga, may based on in their imagination kaya may laban sila. But considering na yung ICC pinagpipilitan na litisin si Presidente Duterte kahit wala itong jurisdiction, hindi ako magtataka na may laban nga sila. Ibig sabihin, mukhang tutuluyan ng ICC itong si dating Presidente Duterte. But hopefully hindi na tayo makarating doon dahil yung trial naman abuti ng malung taon yan eh. By that time, Presidente na si
Sara.
Inday.
Inday Sara.
Sara.
So, attorney, you think it's highly irregular for the court to have this confirmation of charges hearing?
Of course, kasi unang-una, wala silang jurisdiction. Pangalawa, yung issue ng jurisdiction, nasa appeals court pa.
Yes.
Wala pa, it has not been resolved with finality. So, bakit kayo nagbibista na? Di ba? Wala pa. Hindi nyo pa nga nare-resolve yung jurisdiction eh. Meron na kayong mga confirmation of charges.
Maraming mga Pilipino, sir, nagsasabi talaga na this is just a politically motivated move using the court to advance their political agenda. What do you have to say to that?
Matagal na yun eh. Ever since, hindi ba yan ang aking linya sa mga programa ko? I've been saying that all along. Kasi ang end goal dyan, to disqualify Inday Sara and to cripple the former president. Kasi influencer si Presidente Duterte sa kanyang anak. Malaki ang following niya hanggang ngayon. Kaya kailangan talagang i-obliterate ng mga Duterte. Kaya yung impeachment, yung pagkakulong ni Presidente Duterte, that's part of the overall plan of the anti-Duterte forces to remain in power. Kailangan ma-eliminate sila.
Attorney Sal, how about at the end of the confirmation of charges hearing, yung Filipino legal team ay nandito naman to observe the entire proceedings. What will happen, sir, after that?
Wala, kami nandito para apart from to give moral support dahil mga kaibigan namin personal si Presidente Duterte at dati niya kami